Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin C serum at home. Creating your own serum is a fantastic way to ensure freshness and control ingredients. We'll walk through each step, making it simple for anyone to achieve. This homemade serum can offer a natural glow and support healthy skin. Get ready to mix up a batch of this beneficial beauty treatment with ease. Before we begin mixing, let's gather everything you'll need. A fresh lemon is key for its natural vitamin C. Vegetable glycerin helps to stabilize the serum and moisturize your skin. A dark glass bottle is essential for protecting the serum from light, which can degrade vitamin C. Make sure all your tools are clean to maintain purity. Now for the fun part, mixing your serum. First, carefully squeeze the juice from about 1/2 of a fresh lemon into a clean bowl. It's important to strain this juice to ensure no pulp or seeds remain. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin to the strained lemon juice. Gently stir the two ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and look uniform. This simple process creates your base serum. Proper storage is crucial to maintain the potency of your homemade serum. Transfer your freshly made serum into a dark glass bottle, which helps protect it from light exposure. Always keep the bottle refrigerated to extend its shelf life. For application, use just a few drops on clean skin, ideally in the evening. Remember, this fresh serum is best used within 1 week for optimal benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.